Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara, and on this channel, we do budgeting. And I'm also in the process of becoming a first time homeowner, which I'm super excited to share that journey with you. So, if you're interested in home ownership, first time home ownership, and by learning how I budget my way, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Today, our video is going to be what I did with my stimulus and my thoughts on what I think you could do with your stimulus, not what you should do, what you could do with your stimulus. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Okay guys, it's a really quick fast video because what I did with my stimulus is I applied it to one of my savings goal. As you guys know from the title or what I said, I am currently saving for a home, my first home, and I am saving a down payment and the closing costs, because in the market that we're in right now, closing costs, you lucky if you could get them, okay? So I'm trying to be doubly prepared and save for both. At $600, and I'm very thankful for them because there were $600 I did not know were coming. So I took $400 of those $600 and I put it right to my house savings towards the down payment and closing costs. So I had $200 left after that. I took 180 of those dollars and I had a sinking fund, same for the home, for certain bills that I want to try and save for ahead of time. And that I took, there are 9 categories in there, so I gave each one $20 each. 9 times 20, 180. So then the other $20 I ended up giving to my grandma, being that it was extra income. And I always hook my grandma up. Our relationship is super cool, so I gave her $20. And that is how I spent my $600. Can you comment down below? Let me know how you spent your stimulus. Whether you got $600,000, you don't need to tell me, but tell me how you're spending yours or what you did spend yours. And if you're still waiting, hold on, it's coming. Okay, and so here are a few things I think you should do with them. So like me, I think if you have a savings goal, you could add it to your savings goal or your saving challenges. If you unfortunately are out of a job, I would say probably use it to stay on top of the bills, like your must-haves, like shelter and food, if you can. Hopefully you're getting more than 600. I don't know what they thought 600 was going to do, you guys. I would suggest also, if you are in a stable job, then go ahead and maybe beef up your emergency fund or your baby emergency fund with that money. If you don't have a baby emergency fund, which I think if you're making over 30,000 should be at 1,000 or more. If you don't have a baby emergency fund, then start one. If you do have a baby emergency fund and it's fully funded to $1,000, I think you should make it more. If you and start working towards your 3 to 6 month goal. If you already done all that, then I mean, you seem to be a smart, advanced person already. Use your wisdom and figure out where you want to put that money elsewhere, maybe investing or a IRA or something like that. And those are the main places and if you are stable and you still have debt, I think if you're in a stable job and you still have debt, I think maybe it's a good time to put that little stimulus check towards paying down some debt so that you can get out of debt, right? We don't want to be in debt. That's the goal. I'm out of consumer debt. Yay. But I still do have my student loan debt, but I'm going to start working on that probably after I buy the house. But that is my thoughts on how you should spend your stimulus and how I spent my stimulus. Definitely let me know down below in the comments how other good ways that you think people can spend their stimulus. I'm interested to talk to you. All right, guys, remember, as I always say, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Faith over fear this year, y'all. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.